Welcome to Fairy Garden Thursday, hosted by Grandma Sandy, co-hosted by Sharon Shinogle, Barbie Daily, Real Life in the Valley, and myself. Well, I'm going to be showing you today how the garden is progressing. So I bought the topsoil and the mulch and all the flowers. So here's an arrangement of flowers, all from Lowe's. I have some boxwood bushes and some petunias, pink and white. I also got some rosemary and also some really pretty orange and yellow daisies. And this is how I laid them all out. Can you imagine how pretty it's going to look when it's all grown and filled in? Can't wait. And I've already dug the holes for the flowers to go in. And then I've added the topsoil. But before that, I did lay garden fabric down. So I think it's looking really good. And of course, I added my bird bath. And I do finally put a layer of mulch on top of it all. So this was my garden progress tour. Now hopefully next week I will add my fairies to it. So I'm going to let the rest of this play out to music, but I want to thank you all for watching. Oh, say hi to Mia first. And I did buy a couple of hanging baskets that I hung off the pergola here. Those again was from Lowe's. And after you view my video, go and check out all the other participants. And we'll see you next week. Have a very nice day.